Hi guys, in the last video I showed you my resin moulded dog bone failed. I had two attempts. The first attempt lasted quite a long time before it finally failed. The second attempt was a better fit, but it didn't last as long because I don't think I left it long enough to go off really hard to set properly. I only left it for about 24 hours, whereas the previous one I'd left for several days in the hot sunshine. So that's a lesson. I could do it again, but what I'm going to do this time is I've got this steering linkage off one of the radio controlled toy cars, and I'm going to trim that and see if I can use that instead of that, or to replace that one at that end. Rambling a bit, aren't I? So yeah, I'm going to trim this one down and see if we can use that. Well, there we are. Effectively just good old-fashioned whittling, working at it with a knife and a file to reduce it down to the right shape and size. That goes in there. So the next question is, will it work? I might just round that end off a little bit more because it's supposed to sit in the cap in there. And then we'll push it onto there and see if it grips. I might have to open that hole out. I thought it was a bit bigger than that. That's probably going to split because that's too tight. Okay, I'll do a bit more work. Alright, I've drilled it out a little bit bigger. What I don't want to do is damage that one. That appears to be on. Okay. Go back in there. Goes in there. Well, it might work. I got it a little bit wet in there today, so I'm going to dry that out before I close it all up. And then we'll give it another go. Not in this video though. In another one, another day. Yeah. I'll put it back together so we can just give it a test in the conservatory here. So, steering, forwards, backwards. That looks okay. Bit too steep on that side. Yeah, that looks like that's working at the moment. Yeah, looks like we're working again. And that's with the steering arm from another toy car cut down to make it into a dog bone for the end of my steering. Job done for now. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.